Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I stood on this honorable house and sought a statement pursuant to the standing order number 40, Mr. Speaker. I had requested the chairperson of roads to facilitate the house with the statement that I wrote in this honorable house, Mr. Speaker. But to date, I don't know what happened, and it's like it was overlooked, and the department is on with what we asked them to detail a bit for us to agree on the procedures of even procuring the machines. I don't know why, Mr. Speaker, that was overlooked. I don't know whether I'll repeat the statement on this honorable house, or maybe the clerk's office can make a follow-up of that. I don't know what you can advise, Mr. Speaker, because it was a statement that I wrote pursuant to the standing order 40. I requested the statement from the chairperson of Sectorial Committee on Roads, Transport, Public Works Committee regarding the procurement of machines, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Thank you. Resume your seat.
Thank you.
That's an inquiry on the statement
Sought, Mr. Speaker.
sought the other day.
Thank you.
Resume your seat. Raised by Honorable Duke Masira representing Township. Honorable Chair Roads. How far have you gone? Chair Roads. Vice Chair. Roads. Any member from the Roads Committee. Honorable members, we have to be serious on these issues. Any member from Roads Committee? Honorable Leader of Majority?
Honorable Speaker, this is very serious that we don't have any member from that particular committee. I ask that you allow me to reshuffle the Committee on Roads, Speaker, bring the reports in our committees.
Thank you. Taking into consideration of all laws, permission granted. Next.
Thank you for the opportunity. Honorable Speaker, I've stood on point of order number 43, Honorable Speaker, subsection 3, and it reads, this rule applied to questions raised in the House and the questions referred to committee, Honorable Speaker, for reply. That is the point of order I've stood on. And Honorable Speaker, if you can allow me, I want to raise the statement.
Allow it.
And Honorable Speaker, it is on the Department of Education. And even if this House can remember very well, this is the department who sees some months ago we started an impeachment, and on the way it went to court, and up to now, Honorable Speaker, we have not known the status of the issue which was referred to court, and we need even to revive it and get to know what could be happening in court, because it has taken months. Honorable Speaker, specifically I want to raise a statement on the issuance of checks and the submitting of money to schools. And I know, Honorable Speaker, that a number of schools across the board, that is in our words, that money in schools, schools have not received school fees or other checks from the department, and it is even in the public domain that the way even checks are issued in that department is, Honorable Speaker, very disappointing, very horrible, that checks are issued and given to individuals and they are put in their pockets and they move. Honorable Speaker, we don't know how much to date has been given out as school fees to various schools in this county. Further, Honorable Speaker, there was a time, I can specifically say in my ward, that the Polytechnic Tinga is not operational, and as the area MC have not been informed what is happening. There are no teachers, there are no students, and I'm told that the committee was told that later they hold on until such a time they'll be informed of further directions on the opening of that institution. Honorable Speaker, it is pathetic. It is a department which needs prayers and which needs action. I rest my case, Honorable Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
The Honorable Chair, Education. And your committee, I give you time until Tuesday next week. You table a comprehensive report on what is going on in the education department. Honorable Geto.
Thank you, sir. Obrecht.
Thank you. On the issue raised by Honorable Duke Masira,
If during the session a member is absent from 8 sittings of the county assembly without permission,
there is an amended version, so insert the word consecutive.
thank you, Honorable Speaker. From 8 sittings of the county assembly without permission in writing from the Speaker, the Speaker shall report the matter to the county assembly, and the matter shall stand referred to the Committee of Privileges for hearings and determination. Honorable Speaker, I have noted that the last 8 to 10, including today, there are members who have not attended this Honorable House. Even the CCTV can be a witness to this. So, Honorable Speaker, the members who are not giving the input to this Honorable House, but they continue withdrawing the salaries. I wish to notify that, and I wish to know which action will be taken to these Honorable members.
Thank you.
The statement from the chairperson of Sectorial Committee on Roads, Transport, Public Works Committee regarding the procurement of machines in the Speaker.
Thank you. Thank you. Resume your seat.
Thank you.